In this video, we will see the application of some algebraic identities. In the previous videos, I have taught how to expand the algebraic identities. But in this video, how we will use the algebraic identities in the given problem we have to see here. So see the first identity, a plus b whole square. It is a square plus b square plus 2ab. We will divide this expansion into three parts. A plus b is the first part, a square plus b square is second part, ab is the third part. So I have divided this expansion into three parts. If the values of any two parts are given, we can find the value of third one. Suppose a plus b is given, ab is given, we can find this one, a square plus b square. If a plus b given, a square plus b square, second part given, we can find the third one, ab. So see one example. If 2a plus 3b is equal to 7, ab is equal to 2, we have to find 4a square plus 9b square. 2a plus 3b is given, means a plus b is given, and ab is given to, we have to find this middle one, a square plus b square, 4a square plus 9b square. How we will get 4a square plus 9b square? If we take the square of 2a, then we will get 4a square. If we take the square of 3b, we will get 9b square. So if a square plus b square, we have to find a plus b is given and product of ab is given. So we will use the above identity. So to find this one, to get the square of 2a and 3b, we will take the square on both the sides. So squaring on both the sides, 2a plus 3b whole square, it is equal to 7 square. Here we will apply this formula, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square means 2a square, b square is 3b, so 3b square plus 2ab, this one is a and this is b. 2 into 2a into 3b. The right side 7 square is 49. 2a square is, it will be 4a square, 3 square is 9, b square is b square, plus 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12ab is equal to 49. We have to find only this part. Value of ab is given 2. So we will put here ab is equal to 2. 4a square plus 9b square plus 12ab is 2. Next step, 4a square plus 9b square, 12 into 2, 24 is equal to 49. 4a square plus 9b square transpose 24 right side. So 49 minus 24, it is 25. So value of 4a square plus 9b square is equal to 25. So we will take the square on both the sides. We want 4a square 9b square. So when we will take the square of this, then we can get 4a square and 9b square. If we have to find the value of 8a cube plus 927b cube, then we will take the cube on both the sides. If in place of 2a plus 3b, it is given 2a minus 3b, again we will take the square on both the sides. So with the help of this example, I have applied the above identity, a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is the application of this identity. Now we will see one more identity. See one more identity, that is a minus b whole cube What is a minus b whole cube? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. So a minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, a minus b. See one example. If it is given 3x minus 4y is equal to 4 and xy is equal to 16, we have to find 27x cube minus 64y cube. 3x minus 4y value is given 4, xy value is given 16. We have to find 27x cube minus 64y cube. How we will get 27x cube? 27x cube, it is the cube of 3x, and 64y cube, it is the cube of 4y. Okay, it means if we take the cube on both the sides, 3x whole cube, we will get 27x cube. 4y whole cube, we will get 64y cube, and value of xy is also given. So we can apply the above identity, cubing on both the sides. So cubing on both the sides. So take the cube, left side will be 3x minus 4y whole cube. The right side will be 4 cube. Okay. So use here a minus b whole cube. Above identity, a minus b whole cube. This 3x is a, 4y is b, and minus sign is there. So a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, a minus b. Write it. 3x whole cube minus 4y whole cube minus 3ab. What is a? 3x and b 4y in bracket a minus b means 3x minus 4y is equal to right side 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4, 3 times, it will be 64. 3 cube is 27, 27x cube minus 4 cube 64 y cube multiplied 3 into 3 9, 9 into 4 64. No, 3 into 3 9, 9 4 ja 36. Okay, 3 into 3 9, 9 4 ja 36, x into y, xy, and put the value of 3x minus 4y. What is 3x minus 4y value? 4. Right here 4 is equal to 16. Now we will put the value of xy, 16. Okay, so 16 will be, take any small values, take xy is not 16, suppose 2 is there. So multiplication will be easier. I am taking xy is equal to 2. So 27x cube minus 64y cube minus 36 into xy2 into 4 is equal to 64. Multiply it. 4 2 ja 8, 8 6 ja 48, 8 3 ja 24 and 4 288 is equal to 64. We have to find only this part. So we will transpose minus 288 right side. So therefore 27x cube minus 64y cube is equal to transpose 288. So it will be plus 288 plus 64. Add it. 8 plus 4 12. 352. So 352 is the value of 27x cube minus 64y cube. So we have seen here how to apply a minus b whole cube in a given problem. Okay. So Let us see one more algebraic identity. Let us see third algebraic identity. A plus B plus C whole square. We know that it is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square. If we take 2 common from the last 3 terms, we will get AB plus BC plus CA. We can divide it into again 3 parts. This is the first part, this is the second part, and this is the third part. So expansion of A plus B plus C square is this one. I have divided it into 3 parts. First part this one, second is the A square plus B square plus C square, third one AB plus BC plus CA. If values of any 2 parts are given in the problem, we can find the value of the third one. So see how we can apply it. It is given if so let us see this example. In this example we have to apply this identity. A plus B plus C value is given 12, means this value is given. First part, A square plus B square is 100, so this value is given 100. AB plus BC plus CA we have to find, third part value we have to find. So write A plus B plus C whole square. It will be A square plus B square plus C square 2 in bracket AB plus BC plus C. We know this expansion A plus B plus C square is this one. Put the given values. A plus B plus C is 12. So write here 12 square. A square plus B square plus C square is 100. Put here 100 plus 2. AB plus BC plus C is we have to find. So write here AB plus BC plus C. 12 square is 144 and transpose 100 left side. Minus 100, it will be 2 in bracket AB plus BC plus CA. 144 minus 100, 44. 2 in bracket AB plus BC plus CA. So what will be this value? We will divide it by 2. So AB plus BC plus CA is 44 by 2. It will be 20. So we have seen here how we can apply the above identity in a given problem with the help of one example. I hope that it is clear to you. This video will be helpful to you. Okay, thank you class.